will have another shoe review. This is the Nike Rival Fly 4 running shoes. So this is its box, and the label here, the name of the shoes is the Nike Air Zoom Rival Fly 4. So for the men it's 9, and for women this is 10.5. So these shoes has been with us for almost 3 weeks and has been used for 2 weeks only. But we can say that this shoes is really good for beginners. Beginners in walking and in running. Nike Rival Fly 4 can help you push your running pace because its lightweight feature has a 4-foot air zoom unit and cushion 3.0 foam to help you get fast on the road. So it has a heel size of 30 mm, the 4-foot is 22 mm, and the drop is 8 mm. It is soft and it has an energy return feature because of its plastic shank in the arc support. So the material used in the body of these shoes is not so breathable. The tongue is thin and it has holes, and I think this is for proper ventilation as you run. So the toe box is ideal for both narrow and wide-footed runners. The heel tab is thicker than its heel counter. So this one, this side. So this helps lock your foot as you walk or run. And then written here in the heel counter is Nike Racing. So this is specifically made for racing. The Nike Rival Fly 4 is the youngest of the Nike Fly series. And it's available in different colors such as white, black, university red, habanero red, and that of which resembles fire. The sole is soft, that's why it's very comfortable to the feet as you run or walk. And then its outsole is waffle shape, which is the signature sole of Nike. The Nike Rival Fly 4 has an air zoom unit on its 4-foot. So if you are looking for a low-cost running shoes but with that of top quality and brand, we recommend this Nike Rival Fly 4 shoes for you. So this costs around 5,500 pesos in the market, but we bought this for only 2,400 during one of the birthday sales of the online shop.